Today we will start with the topic magnet and its property. If we bring a iron nail near a magnet, we will find that nail is attracted toward a magnet. So I can say that magnet attract magnetic materials such as iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. And this property of magnet is called its attractive property. Next, if I have this three magnet and if I suspend them freely, I find that all these magnets align themselves in north-south direction. So, in short, a freely suspended magnet always aligns itself in north-south direction. Now, if I take any one of these magnets and suspend it freely, I find that the red portion of the magnet point towards the north, whereas the blue portion of the magnet point toward the south. So, the end of the magnet that point towards the north is known as north seeking pole or simply north pole, whereas the other pole is called south pole. So, we can say that a freely suspended magnet always point towards the north. This property of magnet is known as its directive property. Now, I know that a magnet got a north pole and a south pole. Now, if I want to separate north pole and south pole by breaking the magnet into two pieces, I found that each of the two pieces also has a north pole and a south pole as well. And if I keep on breaking the magnet into smaller and smaller pieces, I find that even a small piece also got the north pole as well as south pole. So that means every magnet always has two pole, north and south. Now this property of magnet is known as its bipolar property. And if I bring the north pole of one magnet toward the south pole of other magnet, I find that the two magnets attract each other. So, unlike pole attract each other. At the same time, if I bring the north pole of a magnet near the north pole of another magnet, I find that two magnets repel each other. So, like pole repel each other. Now, this property in which like pole of magnet repel each other is called its repulsive property. So, in short, a magnet is said to be a magnet if it is possess these property: attractive property, second directive property,